Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Blue Whaler. And today we're going to be talking about a FOREX setup that I just found just prior. It's already 5:03, so I'm pretty sure that the market is open and it is a double top pattern. All right, now let's just jump right into it. Here is the Australia dollar USD, and is it open? Yeah, it just opened. Damn, 6.3 spread. Oof. Anyways, I found a double top pattern, what I suspect is a double top pattern. And as we can tell from the chart, there was a downtrend since the August of 15th all the way till October 14th. So it looks like for a month straight it was a downtrend. And it retraced up here. Boom, and it hit what is allegedly a major resistance zone, major resistance zone. Went down, came back up, and it hit it a second time. Now you can see that the box is spread out. The reason I have it spread out is because there's gonna be some people who are gonna say, "Oh, but you gotta make sure it's a major resistance zone. Price action's gotta hit there a few times." Cool, totally get it. Let's go for it. I stretched it out. We're gonna go out into a bigger time frame, the weekly time frame, and let's see what we got cooking here. So off rip, we see that it got tested once here, boom, as a support. Now it's a resistance. Before it was a support. It got tested once, boom. Got tested twice, 3 times, and 4 times. And what's kind of sketchy is that, look, this shit went all the way down here and went right back up. So we can tell that this area here, the 67.6722 cent, is a major resistance. So in case you guys don't know what the double top pattern is, I do have it open here on another tab. Let me just put this right here. It seems to be universal on Google Images. It went up, and according to this picture, it went up, boom, it hit this resistance zone, went down to a neckline, went up to the second peak, and just broke down. The bears just took control. We have another picture here. We got the one top, boom, went down, boom, it hit the second top, and looks like, well, it's supposed to go all the way down, right? Allegedly. We got a third picture here where it went up, boom, it hit the resistance line, went down a little bit to the neckline, hit the second time, and it just went down. Now in this case, we saw that it's been tested multiple times, so we know at this area of price action, there is more sellers than buyers. And I have a second confluence here that that is more evidence to my argument that when it got tested on the first peak, we see that the price action went up here, boom, it created this top hill. When it went down and it came back up a second time. Now when it came back up the second time, we see that this hill is not as tall as this hill. It did not beat this hill. If it would have beat the hill, then it would have let me know that that's an indication that it's gonna continue to go on an uptrend. But it did not. So that lets me know that that's a second confluence that it's gonna keep going down, that the bears have taken control, and that this chart pattern is gonna keep going down. Now if we were to go on the 4-hour chart, we're able to see here that it did oversell over here on the first peak. See? Boom. It oversold. Went down. And that's actually a strong indication for me that a reversal is coming. Now, when it came back to the second peak, it came to this. It came over here to the price action zone, the resistance line, and it didn't oversell. But we see that the pattern is continuously going down even as the market opened. There was a price gap. I would wait for this to come back up a little bit, and it'll potentially keep going down. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not I'm not recommending you do this trade. This is simply an observation I saw that you may be interested in if you trade this type of pattern. All right. Now, you got to take into account, traders, that Jerome Powell, I don't know if he's going to speak this week or not. I'm not really into the fundamental analysis like that. I feel that is something you trade if you have a larger capital, say like $1 million or $100,000 or something of that nature. As you can see, you know, I only got $81.36 and on the account for now. And I trade I do like day trade, not even day trading, like it's like scalp, kind of scalp day trading ish, you know, in between there. So back to what I was saying. So if that pattern is true according to, you know, these websites, and just based off the Google images, if these patterns are true and we saw this pattern on the daily time frame, then that means that's a lot of pips to catch, because this is just going to keep going down. And according to the overall trend, we see that it's creating lower highs and lower lows. So went up here, we got a lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. So it should be going down and should be creating a new low. All right, keyword should be creating a new lower low. So if we were to get in on this trade, how would one get in on this trade? Personally, where's the... Okay, here we go. So if we were to get on this trade, I would do it like this. We'll get in on this trade. I'll put my stop loss at the 68-cent mark line, or just above that rectangle box. And I would put my target profit down here at the 63 cent line. So you're catching, so you're still, the risk to reward ratio is still 1 to 5.24. So you're still making times 5 profit, okay? And that's how I would play that out. So obviously you would have to be patient. You're gonna have to wait, like I said, to the end of the week to fully realize the profits. I would say, I mean, I am gonna keep track of this. We'll see by December 2nd, right over here at the closing of the market, to see if my prediction came true and if it keeps going down. I think it'll keep going down. Maybe I might get in on this trade, maybe not. Maybe I might put a small position. Maybe I put like $20 worth. I'll probably put like 1,000. Let's see, like maybe 2,000. 40, like something $40 like that. Maybe 1,500. You know, something small. And yeah. Now you guys need to be aware that none of this is financial advice again, okay? I'm not telling you guys to get in on this trade, okay? This is, again, a simple observation. And I'm just gonna leave it like that. That is the end. So in conclusion to the video, please like the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, I have other videos here. How to beat inflation 2022, a safe way through government bonds. You know, it's informative video. You guys should get into that. How to earn passive income using crypto. All right, I explain how to get into that further. It's easy, it's great. And how to start your own business in Florida and get your employer identification number from the IRS, and you can get your business up and running. All right, and please, you guys can follow me on IG, Instagram at BlueWhaleFX_. All right, if you guys want to come in contact with me, I have a Discord. You guys can DM me for the Discord link to trade live. Here's my email, my business email, bluewhaleceo@gmail.com. And I am based in Miami, Florida. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day. Good luck on your trading, on trading for the rest of the week. And I'm gonna keep putting out videos more often, be it forex, stocks, crypto, anything to do with the markets. Okay, so have a wonderful day, and I will catch you guys on the next video.